This is your morning moment. This is your family time. The idea during this time of what feels like a crisis to many of us is think about yourself, think about your family. Even if you live on your own, you're kin to yourself, right? So maybe think about creating a time that is specifically a meditation time. Because what does that word meditation mean? But to reflect upon. We all have a lot to reflect upon right now in this moment of a lot of anxiety and stress. So I like the idea of actually creating something in your home that is a sacred place, that has no interruptions, so no phones, no TV. It doesn't have to be big, just a little area. Put a cushion down or just put a chair there, whatever you can do. I like a little candle, a crystal. I can help you design some of those if you want to, but just do whatever you like, right? So I like a quartz crystal. I like a little plant, as you see, because there's nothing like Mother Nature to remind us of the cycle and the circle of things. So that's really important to me, but do what works for you. And make the time for yourself, for your partner, or your family to just sit together, to get quiet. Put in some beautiful music, and maybe it's just 5 minutes twice a day, or maybe it's once a week. Figure out what makes sense to you and use that as your sacred time to unplug, to get centered, and to come back to you.